Months after multiple cities filed a lawsuit against Jackson County for what they deemed excessive property tax assessments, we have a date when we expect a decision by a judge for two of those suburbs. Fox 4's Malik Jackson was in the Jackson County courtroom today as both sides argued at a bench trial before a Clay County judge. Malik, we're inching closer to a ruling here.
We are, at least in the cases involving Blue Springs and Independence. Judge Derek Spencer setting that date as February 2nd when he will make his decision. All of this happening on the same day that those cities' lawyer went head-to-head with the county. An unprecedented move at the time by the city of Independence to sue the county they sit in. Soon they were joined by other cities. Today their case, tied in with Blue Springs, hit the judge's bench.
The county's assessment process has always been difficult. What's happened this year is the worst yet. So there's no doubt that there have been problems in past years. But at some point, you got to draw a line and say enough is enough.
Today was the day to argue just why suing was key. The city is laying out what they say represents a broken property assessment system that has left them with more uncertainty surrounding the budgets for their city.
Some years there has been uncertainty, but it wasn't nearly this big. They need to do their job and put an end to it.
The county saying not so fast, pointing to 2019 and 2021, the last two assessment years, saying that we saw similar things, including appeals that stretched into the next year, and that the budget is always in flux, a point the cities didn't take well to, pointing to the volume of cases that were appealed and some of the astronomical rises people saw in their property tax. In the end, the cities say they need an answer because that answer goes directly to what monies they have and don't have to support services such as police and fire. Now, we did reach out to the county attorneys for comment. They declined to do that at this time. And the case involving Lee Summit, now that was continued till March because they are challenging a different question. They want to challenge the compliance with the law. Was the assessor doing what they were supposed to do? While Independence and Blue Springs, they just want a final number. And again, they expect a decision in that case by February 2nd. John?
Malik Jackson live downtown at the courthouse. The lawsuits heard today are not the only suits brought against Jackson County for property assessments. Missouri's Attorney General also suing another class action lawsuit dismissed by the state Supreme Court last month, though. The court ruling plaintiffs must utilize other options to resolve the issues before filing suit.